Hi, I'm Brent Gaddis, and I'm the president of STEMforce. STEMforce is a 501c3 nonprofit that focuses on inspiring innovation in STEM education. In Oklahoma, there's only 20% of graduating seniors that are prepared for STEM careers. We think that's a very huge problem because STEM careers are some of the highest paying and fastest growing in the country. And so STEMforce is working to close that gap by providing high quality, affordable STEM kits to underrepresented communities and students. Our STEM kits are designed to be engaging, educational, and cover a wide range of STEM topics as well as industries, everything from aerospace to biotechnology. The Read 3D Gigabot is a very versatile and powerful 3D printer that will allow us to create even more innovative and engaging STEM kits. The Gigabot will allow us to produce STEM kits at a larger scale, which would also allow us to reach more students and get a larger reach and make STEM education more accessible. The Gigabot will allow us to create more complex and detailed STEM kits, which would challenge students and give them valuable experience with critical thinking and problem solving. So we're asking for your help. If we win the Giga Prize, we'll use the Gigabot to create even more innovative STEM kits and reach even more students, even outside of Oklahoma. And with your help, we can inspire the next generation to innovate the world. Thank you.